Hello, welcome to Spa World. Today I'm going to show you how to make shrimp curry with sorrel leaves. Also call this as Gongura Prawns curry in South India, and this is a very famous dish there. Let's get started and go the ingredients we need for it. Most important thing are the sorrel leaves. You can get these in Indian stores and they taste a bit tangy. Next we'll need shrimp. I've cleaned these well, removed all the shells. Next we'll need onions, green chilies, some curry leaves and tomato, and we'll also need some ginger garlic paste and the usual spices like turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, salt and some garam masala. First I'm going to boil these sorrel leaves in some water and they'll turn like this once they boil. You just need to add a little bit of water, that will be enough. This is how it looks after the sorrel leaves are cooked. Now you can turn off the stove and mash this well, or you could even grind it into a paste. Take another pan and put some oil in it. We'll use this to fry our shrimp. Salt, turmeric. Fry these until all the water drains off. Cover this with a lid so it cooks faster. This is how the shrimp looks after some time. You can see there's a lot of water that is released. So wait until all this water evaporates and make sure all the shrimp is cooked well. All the water has drained off from the shrimp, so at this stage you can turn off the stove. Take a pan, put some oil and let it heat up. After that add some mustard seeds and cumin, curry leaves. Also add the green chilies and onions and fry them. Some salt, some turmeric powder. Onions are fried now. Let's add some ginger garlic paste. Let's add the tomatoes, chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder. Add some garam masala. After the tomatoes are fried, add the sorrel leaves paste and fry this for some time. After the sorrel leaves are fried for a bit, I've added all the shrimp that we fried earlier. Mix it well and cover it with a lid for some time. Keep it in a low to medium flame. Keep checking in between and stir as needed. You have to cook until the shrimp is soft and tender. This is all done now. You can try this dish with either rice or chapatis and it will be really good. Try this recipe and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye. Have a great day.